Hey guys, what's up? We're going to do a bike check today. We'll start with the bars. These are Odyssey 49er four-piece bars. My brake levers are Tech 77 locking levers. The grips are Vans Cult, which I love. Odyssey gyro. Odyssey forks. Fit Revenge rims. And Demolition Momentum tires. Best tires I ever rode. I love them. Black Ops plastic pegs all the way through. And these are Odyssey Springfield brakes. These are the easiest brakes to dial for people that don't know exactly what they're doing. But I love them. They hold me. I'm 220 pounds, no problems. Cranks. Odyssey. Sprocket 25 tooth Stolen brand. Pedals. Odyssey, of course. I love these tires. Post. Odyssey. The seat is Fast Times, my favorite seat. Brings back some old memories. But this bike is the best riding bike I've ever had. Probably the best build I've ever had. Oh, can't forget the profile stem. So altogether, this build is probably near $1,800. Took me a while to do it, but it's the best build I ever had, and I'm loving this bike, man. Thanks for watching.